Okay, here's a simple task for you're going to log in Reonomy. I'm going to give you the link, and that's my email, Kev Gutter. Only one person can get on this at a time. That's why I have time frames, and I'll give you the password as well. Log in. For right now, we're just going to look at every property that we already have tagged. We're going to go through each one that says yes gutters. That's Connecticut, yes gutters, Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, skip no gutters. You can do this. Don't worry about small. I'll tell you what that is. Georgia yes gutters and definitely New Jersey yes gutters. Okay, one of these you don't have to do. Okay, because they're doubles. Just pick the yellow one to make it good. What I want to do is, what I did is I had some people go in here. So you click on it and apply. Okay. Now it's going to have those 271 properties listed. They've already chosen these. I do gutter cleaning. My company's the Gutter Kings. We do gutter cleaning for apartment complexes, condominium associations. So we're looking for properties that have certain type of roof. That's going to matter later, but for right now, what happened is they got too many small properties. That's the smallest I want. If it has 4 buildings, you can keep it. If it has 3 buildings or less, you're going to go in here and you're going to label it, add another label, and you're going to label small. Since this isn't one of them, I'm going to just go out of this one. Then you go to the next one. You're always going to look at that. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. When in doubt, leave it. That's decent. That's too small. Okay. I don't care about having this. I can't make enough money on it to really worry about them right now. So I go in there. I just mentioned small. Then when I pull these into my database, I'll skip all the ones that have small on it. Okay. But they'll still be in my database. That's how you're going to do it. So just you come in here. It's always like it's not this stuff. It's here. You can see that's kind of one complex. You don't have to sit here and count them. You know that that's more than 3. There's probably 15 in there. You just leave it. Go to the next. Okay. You're going to go all through the Connecticut's. If it's 3 or smaller, you're going to 3 or less. You're going to put small. Then you're going to go out of here. Clear. You're going to go into the next label, Virginia. Okay. Apply. It's going to give you 939. So it's going to take a little bit of time. Listen to some music. It's not very hard to do. And that's not even the right type of building. So I'm going to tell you something real quick. The buildings have to be a certain type of thing. They got to be 3 stories or less, and then they got to have um, a sloped roof. That's a flat building. I can see from here. If you really, I don't want you to spend a lot of time, but if you can go in here, you can Google it if it doesn't look right. If you see it's like some high store building, all you gotta do is go in images. That does not have gutter cleaning. We're not gonna be able to do anything. So that person made a mistake, which is perfect. So now I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna just get rid of that. So now I don't want that in my database. See how I just clicked it? So if I click it, it goes on, click it. You never go in here. Don't do anything in here deleting. You'll delete all of them. Somebody did that. It was a total mess. That's why I got the 2 New Jerseys. You would just go in there. I don't want that one. Okay? The type of buildings I want, just so you know, are not those, nothing 3 stories or more, and nothing with flat roofs. You're going to see tons of buildings like this. Perfect example, right? They got gutters, they're 2 stories, they're 3 stories or less. If you went in here on the map, this is one of my clients. They got 28 buildings. That's how we check these in the beginning. but I've already had somebody do it. Now I'm trying to get this database because I'm only allowed to pull so many. So this will help me not waste money pulling properties that I don't really care about. These are my type of customers, right? I make a lot of money to do these. I don't make much money doing those small ones. So that's out now. Now we go to the next one. All right, this person made somebody made mistakes. So you're going to have to, that's borderline because they saw the sloped roof and everything, but now it's only one building. So I'm going to go in here and just put small. I'm just going to, even if you put small instead of taking it out, it's the same difference. I'm not going to download it. Okay, I'm just going to do one more. Perfect. See a bunch of buildings. I don't need to look at all these. I can tell just from how those look that it's going to be. But if you ever wanted to just take a quick look, it's going to look exactly similar to the one I just showed you. If the building, the top is white, it means it's flat. Hopefully they didn't make a lot of mistakes. You're kind of double checking. It's perfect. This is the type I like. So you're going to finish all these, clear it, and we're going to go to the next one. So remember, it's Connecticut, yes, all the yeses. Skip the no. You do that one. Skip the small, yes, yes, yes. Remember, there's two New Jerseys. I'm just not going to delete one of these yet because they're looking at it for me. So just do this one. You load them. It's actually got both. So here, I'm going to tell you what you can do with this. Might as well take all the green ones off. You're in there, and you can look at it. That's too small. It's only one building. See how quickly you can go through these? So just on the New Jersey ones again. Let's get rid of all the green ones. I don't know if we can do them all at once. You're in it anyway, so let's take a look at this building. 1, 2, 3. That would probably be too small, but when in doubt, I'm just going to leave it. That's fine. Let me show you something I just saw here. When I was clicking on that, if it's under 35 units, it's probably going to be too small. So I noticed it said 10 unit. And then when I go on there, there's only one building. So I'm going to remove that. And then I'm going to make it small. Oh, you could just touch it here. Pretty easy stuff, right? One more. New Jersey's a main spot for me. Let's even zero in on this. I'm not even sure what that is. You might want to just look at this then. Number of buildings, 1. So we're removing the New Jersey, and I'm going to add small. So we're going to get a bunch of smalls, which is the whole idea because I'm trying to get this number, so it's perfect. So let me know if you have any questions on that. That's how you do it. You don't have to download anything, clear anything, don't do any of that. Just do that over and over. Go through all those stops. Thanks.